Hello everyone, and how is your day going? So I just wanted to share with you my yummy nutrient dense antioxidant breakfast smoothie loaded with so many nutrients for a healthy and ageless glow to the skin. So I just thought of sharing with you, maybe this can be a healthy motivational breakfast idea for you. This is actually so healthy and keeps you so full and loading your system with a lot of nutrients you need to have that ageless healthy glow. Plus live a healthy life, as this is loaded with so many nutrients your system loves. So yeah, in order to make my breakfast smoothie, for today I'll be using 2 carrots, and you want to get your carrots peel and like wash thoroughly. So don't bother to peel the carrot, because carrot is all of the carrot is fiber, so it's not like you're losing some fiber. You just want to clean so you don't put in dirt in your system. So these are 2 carrots I'll be using this morning for my breakfast. Carrots are so good as they are loaded with so many nutrients. Besides the fact that there is a lot of fiber in carrot to keep you full for long, because the secret here is to eat something that will keep you full but with less calories, that you will not gain a lot of weight. And carrot has a lot of fiber to keep you full, but you will not end up gaining a lot of weight, because this will easily digest, burn down without store up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Plus the nutrients you have in carrots. Carrots contain a lot of vitamin A, which helps to protect your skin cells from damaging. Like after you expose yourself in free radicals, or you are about to expose yourself into the environment, having this as breakfast protects your skin from the free radical damage effects. So this is the first ingredient. Plus the beta carotene will glow your skin naturally. The second ingredient I will be adding in here will be watermelon. So watermelons are equally highly rich in vitamin A to protect your skin cells from damaging, most especially if you have it as breakfast and exposing your skin into the environment. This protects you from your skin cells from damaging because of the vitamin A. Not just that, it nourishes, moisturizes and hydrates your skin, because watermelons are like 86% water based. Like this is water and moisture you're putting into your skin. You feel so fresh, look so fresh. This freshens up your skin. Plus the vitamin A, which protect your skin cells from damaging, very important before going into the environment. This is a very good breakfast idea, so your skin cells can be protected and you always have that youthful, fresh looking skin without the damaged kind of skin which doesn't look beautiful. So this is something you want to try. Very yummy breakfast, ingredients carefully put together for that beautiful, fresh looking skin, plus loading your system with a lot of nutrients, because watermelons contain a lot of nutrients you want to put into your system, most especially vitamin E as well, which helps to boost collagen production for that youthfulness to your skin. Like you want to eat some of this, you want to have this as breakfast. Try it and trust me, you will love it. So these are the first 2 ingredients: 2 carrots and a quarter watermelon. So depending, you can put half a watermelon, a quarter watermelon, depending on the quantity you have. That is fine. And the next thing I'll be adding in here will be just 1 apple. And I love these red apples because they contain a lot of antioxidants. This is one of the richest sources of antioxidants to help you fight free radical damage as well. So as you are getting into the environment, this protects your skin from damaging. Like this is so good. It will keep you full, help you fight diseases, nourish your system, because apples are alkalizing. They contain a lot of alkaline benefits to fight diseases, form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases and sicknesses, for you to always be healthy. And the vitamin C in here glows up your skin, plus so many nutrients found in apples. Like these ingredients are carefully put together. They might be just 3 simple ingredients, but trust me, this is wealth. This is wealth in the glass you are about to consume, to protect your skin, nourish your skin, give you that healthy glow, hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, like so many benefits. Plus it will keep you so full that you feel so full but with less calories, so you don't end up with belly fat, weight gain. Like, this is so healthy. You don't want to have the kind of breakfast that will leave in so many calories and you end up with weight gain or belly fat. This is so good as you will not experience belly fat, no weight gain, but at the same time you feel so full. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So this is it. I'm not adding any water. I will not be using any sieve. Like, this is a smoothie. Like, this, everything goes down into your belly, into your yummy belly. So everything goes down. Like, I'm salivating. So this is so yummy. You want to try and nourish your system and thank me later. Very healthy breakfast idea you want to try. Like, share this video with your family and friends. Like, this is something you want to be having as breakfast, most especially on days you are exposing your skin into direct sunlight or you're getting out into the environment. This is actually a very powerful antioxidant drink to protect your skin from damaging due to environmental free radicals, because the solution for environmental free radicals destroying your skin is antioxidants. And this juice is just like, this smoothie is an antioxidant smoothie you want to protect your skin with, you want to nourish your skin with. Like, it keeps you so full. Like, see the consistency, so rich. So yeah, I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay looking beautiful and agelessly glowing, plus protecting our skin so it always look beautiful without all the free radical damage effects on the skin. Like, this is the kinds of breakfast you want to have and save your money from buying all those junk foods loaded with a lot of calories, bad oils and sugars, making you gain a lot of weight. Like, this is what you should be having as breakfast. Yeah, so thumbs up if you find the video helpful, and see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.